Hey, eco-warriors, welcome to your crash course on building an Earthship. If you're dreaming of a sustainable, off-grid lifestyle, stick around. We're diving into how you can turn this dream into reality. First off, what is an Earthship? It's a type of passive solar house made of natural and upcycled materials like earth-packed tires, bottles and cans. These homes are designed to be self-sufficient, providing their own heat, electricity and even water. Cool, right? Imagine living in a home that not only reduces your carbon footprint, but also makes you feel more connected to nature. Okay, let's break it down step by step. Choose a spot with plenty of sunlight. Earthships are all about harnessing solar energy, so a south-facing slope is perfect. This orientation maximizes the amount of sunlight your home will receive, which is crucial for both heating and electricity generation. Start by laying your foundation. This is the base upon which your entire Earthship will stand, so make sure it's solid and well constructed. Earthships typically use rammed earth tires. Grab some old tires, fill them with dirt and compact it tightly. This process not only recycles old tires but also creates incredibly sturdy walls. Stack these tires like bricks to build thick, sturdy walls. These walls will act as thermal mass, helping to regulate the temperature inside your Earthship. Earthships are masters at maintaining temperature. The thick walls absorb heat during the day and release it at night, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Use natural materials like adobe or cob for additional thermal mass. These materials are not only sustainable but also add to the aesthetic appeal of your home. This keeps your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. No need for expensive heating or cooling systems. Install large south-facing windows. These windows will act as solar collectors, trapping heat during the day and releasing it at night. These will act as solar collectors, trapping heat during the day, plus they offer amazing views. Imagine waking up to a beautiful sunrise every morning. Your roof should be angled to collect rainwater. This is a crucial feature for off-grid living. Install a cistern to store this precious resource. Rainwater can be used for everything from drinking to irrigation. Remember, in an Earthship, every drop counts. Efficient water use is key to sustainable living. Inside, use natural plasters and finishes. These not only look great, but also help regulate indoor humidity. Incorporate grey water systems and composting toilets to make your home even more sustainable. These systems recycle water and waste, reducing your environmental impact. Plant an indoor garden to grow your own food year-round. Fresh, homegrown vegetables are just a few steps away, and there you have it. A cozy, eco-friendly Earthship built with your own hands. A cozy, eco-friendly Earthship built with your own hands. Not only will you reduce your carbon footprint, but you'll also gain a deeper connection with the Earth. Not only will you reduce your carbon footprint, but you'll also gain a deeper connection with the Earth. Living in an Earthship is about more than just sustainability. It's about creating a harmonious relationship with our planet. Remember, building an Earthship is a journey. It's a rewarding process that teaches you valuable skills and brings you closer to nature. Take your time, enjoy the process, and don't hesitate to get help when you need it. Got questions or tips? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you and sharing ideas. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more sustainable living tips. Your support helps us create more content like this. Let's build a greener future. One Earthship at a time. Together we can make a difference. See you next time, eco-warriors. Keep dreaming, keep building, and keep making the world a better place.